Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is actually very interesting. One role is from a huge MNC and fully focused on AI, and second one is for people who are interested in full stack development plus computer vision and AI application. So if you are into AI, Python, Gen AI, web development or computer vision, watch this video till the end because these roles are actually pretty interesting. Let's start with the first company, and this one is from Wipro. They are hiring for the role of AI specialist, and yes, this is a remote opportunity. Now, before you get too excited, there is one important eligibility condition. This role is specifically for IIT graduates. So, if you are not from IIT, don't worry, stay till the second opportunity because that one is open more broadly. Now, this Wipro role is actually very aligned with the companies are doing in AI right now because many companies are not only building AI models, they also need people who can evaluate AI outputs and improve the quality of those responses. And this is exactly what this role focuses on. You will basically work on checking AI generated STEM content, that means science, technology, engineering and math related responses generated by AI systems. For example, if the answer is correct, there are many kind of things you will be evaluating, and this area is becoming very important now because AI generated content is everywhere. Companies need people who can improve quality and reliability. Now in this role you will work closely with AI ML engineers, analytics team, product team and engineering team. You will also help build evaluation datasets, benchmark test and prompt engineering workflows. So if you are someone who likes AI but doesn't necessarily want hardcore model training work immediately, this can actually be a good entry point into AI industry. Now coming to the skills, they mentioned AI, machine learning, Python, prompt engineering, analytical thinking and AI data annotation. And honestly, prompt engineering plus AI evaluation is becoming a proper career path now, especially with LLMs growing so fast. Another good thing is that this role is remote and estimated salary is around 10 to 11 LPA, which is honestly strong for a fresher level AI role. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Houston Systems. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer roles with computer vision exposure. Location is Greater Noida and the experience required is 0 to 2 years. Now this role is actually pretty exciting for people interested in AI powered applications because this is not just basic front end or back end work. You will also work with image processing and real time video analytics performance. Now think about it, a lot of industries are now using AI cameras, automation system, face recognition and smart monitoring systems, and companies need developers who can connect AI models with real world applications. That's exactly what this role involves. You will build AI enabled web applications, integrate computer vision models into scalable systems, create APIs for image and video analytics, and work on real-time processing solutions. So this role mixes software engineering with AI engineering. Now skills mentioned here are Python, JavaScript, React, Next.js, Angular, Node.js, Flask, Django, OpenCV, MongoDB, PostgreSQL and REST API. And honestly, you don't need to know everything perfectly. For fresher hiring, companies mainly want strong learning ability plus project exposure. So if you already built projects in Python, worked with OpenCV, made APIs or developed web apps, then definitely try applying. And the nice to have section is actually very interesting too. They mention YOLO, OCR, object detection, face recognition, Docker, Kubernetes and GPU deployments, which clearly shows this company is working on serious AI and automation systems. So if you are someone interested in this type of careers, this role gives very valuable real world exposure. Salary here is around 3.5 to 4.5 LPA, which may look lower compared to the Wipro role and also compared to the skills they have mentioned. So overall these were the two opportunities. If you are from IIT and interested in Gen AI or AI concepts, make sure to check out the first opportunity, and if you are more into development, make sure to check out the second one. And don't think like they have mentioned 15 technologies, then you have to work on all 15 technologies at once. That's not possible for a human. Suppose you are good at a particular Merge stack or Python stack, they will align project according to that. So yeah guys, these were the two opportunities. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.